That's what's happening. How to stop people from seeing you viewed their profile on TikTok. So what you're gonna do, hit your profile icon at the bottom right and press the footprint icon at the top next to share. You're gonna see the viewed profiles. Hit the settings gear and turn off the view history. And you can see here who viewed your profile in the past 30 days and which followers viewed your post within 7 days of the post date. If others have this setting turned on, they will also see that you viewed their profile or posts. So if you turn this off, this means they will not access your profile, therefore, or they will not access the profile views, right? They will not see your name, but that also means you won't even see their name, right? Or you won't even access, you won't be able to access this feature when you turn it off. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you